Hello there everyone! Kumusta kayo mga kapwa kong utak pulbura? Here I go again. Meron tayong bagong gun video. And obviously this is about the Sig Sauer P320 X5 Legion. Napakahaba na pangalan, ano? I have decided to make this in a Tagalog version because for reference sa ating mga kapwa Pinoy na gustong bumili ng baril na ito, and napakarami naman na mga videos out there sa YouTube about this gun. This is a very popular gun from Sig, discussing every details of this. So dito tayo, target audience natin siguro ay mga kapwa Pinoy natin who are possibly contemplating on buying this gun. Medyo mahal din kasi, so kailangan pag-isipan yung desisyon na sa pagbili if ito ba talaga ay nararapat sa atin. So this is my first Sig pistol, my first Sig firearms actually, and my first gun purchase for 2024. So I'm right now hooked with full size competition level 9mm pistols. So ito, nabili natin sa Tools Trading Incorporated. Tama ba ang pangalan? Dito lang sa Davao City. So ito ay nabili natin sa halagang 106, I think. It can go up to 140. Nung gun show dito sa Davao, it was priced at 140. Meron din nagbenta ng 128,000 pesos. Pesos ha. But I was able to find a good deal and I was able to buy it for nasa sobra lang ng konti sa 100,000. The gun arrived in a case, this one. Hindi natin pag-usapan kung ano pong mga nakalagay dito, hindi na naman interesting yun. But the most important thing is that it comes with 17 round magazine. I hope I'm correct. Meron din siyang extra na recoil spring. So, by the way, this is not a really proper review, no? Hindi naman tayo expert sa baril. So, kung proper review ang gusto nyo, this is not the right video for you because there's a lot out there discussing every detail about these firearms, mga specifications and stuff like that. I'm not going to be talking about that, yung weight niya and mga right measurements. Basta ito ay isang full-size pistol, striker fired with a polymer frame. Polymer itong lower niya, but this polymer is tungsten infused, so mas mabigat siya kaysa dun sa mga conventional polymer pistols natin. So right out of the box, ang napansin kaagad natin is that this is a big pistol, no? It's very chunky. We can do a size comparison. Andito yung Glock 17 natin, and makikita nyo na mas malaki talaga ang Sig. Pareho silang full size. This is a Glock 17, a full size 9mm, at maliit siya ng konti sa Sig. Pag ipatong natin, ayan, makikita mo pa yung profile ng Sig underneath. Thickness, they're about the same. Okay. By the way, hindi pala itong original state niya nung nakuha natin, because now itong barrel natin ay naka-chrome na, and the magwell also. It comes with the magwell already. Ito, but meron tayong konting adjustment na ginawa dito sa magwell. Kasi yung original design ng magwell, pag pinasok mo yung magazine, talagang flush. Hindi mo na makikita yung magazine. So you will, at a certain angle, you will not see the magazine inserted. At the same time, mahirap. Pag pinasok mo na yung magazine, kailangan mo idiin talaga. Kasi nakatago siya. Halos nakatago. Samantala ito, may nakaprotrude siya ng konti. So, it's easier to seat the magazine. Itong Legion, series ito ng ano eh, ng Sig Sauer. So, ayun, ang mga magazine niya ay may logo na Legion. Ito yung logo ng Legion. Sitaw. Para itong ano eh, chevron ng mga ranks ng mga men in uniform natin. Sights niya. Sights niya ay adjustable ang rear sight with its windage and elevation. Front sight ay naka fiber optics, so for sure this will give you a good sight picture. Optics ready, may cutout na siya dito for your optics of choice. Most probably yung Sig Romeo kakasya dito. The design is simple yet very modern in my opinion. May mga angular grind siya, no? And slide cuts to reduce the weight or for whatever purpose it is. Medyo sophisticated ang dating niya. It has a Picatinny rail dito sa baba for your accessories. Trigger. This has a flat trigger. My first flat triggered 9mm pistol. What else can we say about this? Ito yung mga controls niya, slide stop, and this is the disassembly lever. This one. Now, how about the action? Kasa natin. Malambot and smooth siya ikasa. According sa mga reviews, isa sa mga good features nito ay ang trigger action niya. So, subukan natin. Okay, meron siyang slack na very short. 1/4 of an inch or even less. And you hit the wall. Once you hit the wall, may konting creep. There. Crisp naman yung trigger niya. Much better if you compare this with the Glock trigger. Mahaba ang slack nitong Glock, and then when you reach the wall, may creep pa before the break. Okay, so of course this beats the trigger of the Glock. I mean the stock trigger of the Glock. It's good. The reset. Short reset. Not very short though, but okay na rin. Like 1/4 of an inch. Now the grip has some texturing. Medyo pino na texture, but it feels ano naman, kakapit sa kamay natin. I don't think it's going to feel like it's gonna jump out of your hand if you fire this gun. It feels secure. Wala siyang masyadong contours, no, except for this one para sa middle finger. And otherwise this one is flat, even ang kanyang thickness. What else? Disassembly. How do we disassemble this one? Probably this way. Itapat lang. Matigas. Sakit ng kamay ko. So, what else do we do about it? Tara, punta tayo sa firing range at masubukan itong bagong boga natin. So, here we go. This is my first magazine with Armscore factory loads, shot through the P320 X5 Legion. Ang sarap siya iputok, sa totoo lang. It's really fun to shoot this thing. It's got good recoil management because of the weight, crisp trigger pull, easy target acquisition because of the sight design. Ang diferensya na lang ang shooter. Let's find out if I did well. And there you go, an embarrassing grouping that I did. But I'm sure I'll adjust and I'll do better with this as I get familiar with the gun. Double taps, no problem. Madali siyang itama, sa totoo lang. I don't see any problem shooting it rapidly because of the short reset. Masarap. Tumira naman tayo ng long distance, 35 meters. And as long as you are doing the things properly, it will surely hit. Tumatama siya ng maayos. Very accurate pistol. So I find this pistol fun and reliable. It should work well in a competition or in home defense use. Ayun. So after our short session sa firing range, nasiyahan ba ako? Of course, I am generally happy with the purchase of this gun. Is it going to replace my Shadow 2 as my competition gun? Well, I don't think so. The Shadow 2 is still my top choice when it comes to competition. Although hindi naman tayo ganun ka-active these days. Ang sa atin na lang ngayon is collecting and from time to time do some sessions in the range. And this is a very nice addition to my growing pistol collection. Is it worth the money? Medyo mahal, ano? 100 plus talaga, ano? 100,000. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly gun, this might not be the one for you. But if you are in for quality firearms, premium build, good fit and finish, then this is really highly recommended. It has good trigger action, very accurate also. Yun, I think this gun deserves a place here sa ating baul ng mga laruan. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe everyone. Shoot safe always. Stay sharp.